It is safe to say that wherever you go in the world, there will most likely be a McDonald's nearby. They are not just everywhere, but they are thriving everywhere as well, thanks to McDonald's marketing approach. According to recent data, McDonald's is far ahead of the competition in terms of sales, revenues, and marketing techniques, despite worthy opposition from the likes of Domino's, Burger King, Wendy's, and other fast food restaurants. So how did a modest pie and fries company become so global? The man behind this global legacy, Raymond Albert Kroc, claimed it was due to McDonald's marketing methods. McDonald's marketing methods are still shaped by his ideology and policies, and in typical Mickey D's way, the world is loving it. McDonald's menu includes a wide variety of items such as burgers, salads, wraps, fries, sandwiches, desserts, snacks, coffees, and refreshers. Bread, potatoes, milk, poultry, and meat are the key ingredients. However, what actually distinguishes Mickey D's product quotient is their willingness to change. They have been more inclined to introducing chicken-specific dishes in more poultry fan communities such as the Philippines and Mexico. In more vegetarian communities such as India, they have adapted their traditionally meat-first dishes to be expertly prepared with vegetables without watering down the pleasure. Their menu is frequently updated to meet shifting consumer wants and trends. Before introducing a new product, it is rigorously market-tested to verify its viability. The iconic Big Mac, fries, apple pie, McMuffin, Happy Meal, and Filet-O-Fish are among the regular products available at all Mickey D's. Furthermore, the Big M is also known as the Golden Arches, has become the very face of McDonald's and continues to survive even after 50 years. Needless to say, McDonald's color palettes and typefaces have evolved. One thing has been constant since the 1960s, those wonderful Golden Arches. With items starting at $1 in the US, the franchise is also accessible to teenagers, college students, and young adults. This showcases a brand that is accompanied by regional and socio-economic information. McDonald's success is due in part to their sensitivity to the region and their ability to employ a marketing strategy that successfully matches the target demographic. Furthermore, McDonald's has always been a brand that values loyalty, transforming inactive and passive customers into more active sales through the use of prizes and discounts. In addition, McDonald's employs pricing techniques such as special meals and deals that are less expensive when purchased separately. It all started in the 1960s, when individuals ridiculed the company for spending an additional $2 million on advertisements. Such a marketing budget! That too with 70% of it going to billboards. That was unprecedented. Even now, McDonald's proudly captivates its offline audience on highways, near malls, rest stops, you name it. McDonald's marketing approach was initially to buy the area and immediately feature big high-resolution pictures of their fries and burgers in their characteristic red and yellow hues. McDonald's marketing strategy was to not merely buy billboard space, but to maximize it creatively. Branding is more than simply a logo. On Twitter, McDonald's is frequently the punchline. It's all good trolling fodder, a Frosty machine that doesn't operate in any McDonald's, or a Sprite that hits different spots. Alternatively, trains of McDonald's made me fat jokes. It appears that the brand has always maintained a cool and sophisticated demeanor in such situations. Finally, brand is what others say about your firm when you are not present. Yet McDonald's always manages to pick the path that promotes positive feeling throughout all of their brand assets, even if they are constantly broken. McDonald's has figured out how to exploit internet talk as a big brand promotion technique. However, it is not always amusing and cynical. McDonald's does introduce things to warm its customers with an emotional free sample. Without a significant investment in efficient marketing methods, McDonald's would not be the brand we know and love today. McDonald's has effectively varied their marketing methods and developed with changing market tastes throughout the years to remain the world's leading fast food brand. McDonald's has achieved this lofty reputation in large part due to their consistent investment in successful and impactful marketing methods that ultimately increase the brand status. And without a doubt, McDonald's stockholders are loving the profits.